Hi, Sketch Lab friends. Let's draw this cute kitty cat cupcake. It's got a whipped cream and a cherry topper too. Let's get started. So we're going to start off with the cherry on top. So we're going to draw the circle. So we're going to build this drawing with some shapes today. Look at that shapes for the top, the stem. Now this is going to be the whipped cream on top. We kind of have a little bit of a wavy line. Okay, let's draw the ears. Oh, the head bean. So we're going to curve a line to the left. And then now we're going to curve a line to the right. And then now we're going to add this little line at the bottom. Okay, here's the ears. You can see they're triangular shape, but they kind of curve to the left and curve to the right. And we're going to draw that same shape one more time. Just a little bit smaller. Awesome, guys. We're off to a great start today. Same thing on the other side. And then we're going to draw the smaller shape on the inner part of the ear. It's triangular shape. Alright, we're going to draw the little expression. So we're going to have a circle, and we're going to leave a little white highlight inside of the eye. Look at this little kitty cat's aura. It's just glowing constantly. So happy. Oh, sprinkle time! So today you could put whatever toppings you want on your little kitty cat cupcake. Add little sprinkles. I got whipped cream and cherry. And when you color it, you could color what flavor you want it to be. I wonder what flavor mine is. Is that strawberry? It might be strawberry. So you look how we're using these wavy lines again. And then now we're going to add some more wavy lines. We're going to make this frosting look like it's dripping over the edge of the cupcake liner. And then now the one little drip. Look at the shape of the cupcake liner. It looks a little bit like a trapezoid, doesn't it? So we have our three little whiskers on the cheeks. Alright, so we're going to draw these diagonal lines down. And you could draw a straight line across, but I'm going to curve mine just a little bit. And don't forget to go back in, add some details, add some rosy cheeks. You can add some lines under your cupcake wrapper and other toppings. Good job, guys. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.